Hi guys, welcome to our channel Darks and J. Here we share simple and some mouth-watering recipes on weekly basis. You know, however much you grow old, there are certain things that never leave you. One such thing is my love for Bhetki Machar Paturi. Bhetki Machar Paturi is a traditional Bengali fish preparation which is being enjoyed and loved beyond age and time. So without any further ado, let's get started with the recipe.
So we'll start with our sea bass fish. We'll marinate the bhetki with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll keep it aside for 15 minutes after marinating it, and after that we'll soak 2 tablespoons of black mustard seeds and 2 tablespoons of white mustard seeds. And remember, you should add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds as well in hot water for 30 minutes, and then you can grind it and make a paste out of it. I actually soaked it overnight. So if you are having a sudden plan to prepare bhetki paturi, you can prepare this particular marination 30 minutes before starting the recipe. Now we'll add 1 to 2 green chilies depending upon your tolerance for spicy food. You can add 1 teaspoon of salt and grind it well. You have to add up 10 ml of water to it. Now you can see that there is a smooth paste of this mixture. Add handful of chopped coriander. It's an optional thing. I just used it to give it a bit of good flavor. So for that you can add it up. Now we'll add up half teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Make sure you use a good amount of salt in it, because it might be possible that after you taste it, after everything is prepared, you'll see that the salt concentration is too less. But if you can see that during the marination you also use salt, so make sure the salt concentration should be adequate. Now you can add up half a cup of curd. Mix it properly. Now we'll add up 1 cup of shredded coconut and we'll mix it well. Though you can grind the coconut along with this mustard mixture, but I would suggest to add a shredded coconut. Now we'll add the marinated bhetki fish into the mixture. We'll coat the fish properly with that mustard mixture and we'll keep it aside for 15 minutes. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Because the fish will mainly be steamed inside the banana leaf, so oil is necessary for that. Now we have to refrigerate the marinated fish for 15 minutes. Now we'll cut the banana leaves in square shape and we'll cook them. I won't say we'll cook them, we'll heat them so that they don't tear apart. We'll heat the pan and without any oil we'll be flipping each side for a minute or so, and we'll be just heating it up so that while folding the banana leaf it doesn't tear off. Make sure you do not overheat it up. Just 1 minute each side is necessary, is sufficient enough to. So now it's time to make the bhetki parcel. For that, all you have to do is you have to put some mixture of in that banana leaf, and then you have to add a bhetki fish piece on top of it, and you have to fold it carefully as shown in the video. Make sure you add up some gravy in the very beginning before adding up the fish. And the folding part is pretty tough. Make sure you do not add up too much of that gravy portion, so otherwise it will leak from the corners and it will be ruined totally. You can use a normal thread to parcel the fish. This parceling portion is the toughest part for this preparation. I feel it's pretty difficult. So make sure your leaf is big enough to not leak out the internal mixture which has been parceled. I totally gave up. It was just testing my patience. See, it's almost parceled. Now we'll fry the banana leaf parcel. We'll take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. We'll heat the oil in medium flame. Now we'll add the bhetki parcels in it and we'll let it cook for 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side in low to medium flame. Make sure you do not cook it in a high flame, otherwise the fish will be uncooked, it will be partially done. So just take your time, it's all about patience, and trust me, the end product will be absolutely worth it. Now we'll be covering it with a lid. Now after the 5 minutes is done, we'll just flip the sides and you'll see that it is all pumped up, and don't worry, it's not going to burst anyway. It's just believe that it's cooking from inside, so be happy about it. See, it's all pumped up. Now you can see it's almost done. It's like almost done. Some last minute thing is to be made. Just flip it again for some time, 2-3 minutes maybe. I've seen many people cooking this bhetki paturi in pumpkin leaf and or lemon leaf, but I somehow believe that banana leaf is the best thing to use while preparing paturis. Now you can see that our bhetki paturi is ready to serve.
Bhetki mache paturi is ready. It is actually a mandatory dish in every Bengali wedding. It's like I had it a lot in almost every possible Bengali celebration, be it Aiburo Bhat or Gaye Holu. It's just incomplete without generous supplies of bhetki paturi. There's usually an empty plate at the center of each table to discard the banana leaves, and as the meal progresses, people start counting the number of leaves pulled on the plate. I know it's funny, right? When you open the banana leaf, you'll see freshly baked bhetki mach. It's the best thing you can actually ever have. Do try this recipe out. Let us know how it was like. Subscribe to our channel for more such yummy recipes. We'll meet again next week. Until then, bye bye.